File Test 1. Listening 2. So, in the studio, we have Angela Hamilton, a professional psychologist. She's going to talk to us today about how our personalities are formed. Angela, welcome to the show.
Hello, Michael. Thanks for inviting me.
So, Angela, as I understand it, the nature versus nurture debate is one of the most controversial in psychology. What exactly is it all about?
Well, nature refers to our unique physical makeup. You know, the genetic factors that we inherit from our parents, which make us who we are, from our physical appearance to our personality characteristics.
Okay, I get it.
And nurture refers to the environmental factors that influence who we are. For example, how we were raised, our early childhood experiences, our social relationships, and our culture.
I see. So, what do you think? Is it nature or nurture that makes us who we are?
Well, that's a difficult one to answer. You see, different branches of psychology have opposing theories, and despite decades of scientific studies, they just can't agree. Biological psychology claims that our personality is the result of genetic influences. On the other hand, behavioral psychology argues that environment has the biggest impact on our characters. I tend to agree more with the behavioral psychologists that environment plays the biggest role in shaping our personalities. However, I recognize that genetics are involved too.
Okay, so it sounds pretty complicated. Can you give me some examples of nature versus nurture?
Of course. Let's think about academic success. When a person performs well academically, it could be due to nature, in other words, that they are genetically programmed to be academic. Or is it due to nurture, because of their environment? For example, because they had access to good resources, books, computers, encouragement from their parents, a successful brother or sister to compete with.
Okay, so it's not really straightforward, is it?
No, not at all. Most of our physical characteristics, such as eye, hair, and skin color, are definitely down to nature, though.
So, how about personality? Can I blame my absent-mindedness on my parents?
Unfortunately, it's not that simple. While eye color is undoubtedly due to genes, things like height and life expectancy are programmed by nature, but also influenced by lifestyle and environmental factors. In my opinion, it's the same for personality. Scientists haven't yet found a specific gene for being easygoing or bad-tempered or well-behaved. However, you often find that people with those characteristics had parents or other family members with the same characteristics.
So, why do you often get siblings, brothers and sisters, who have grown up together in the same environment and raised by the same people with completely different personalities?
Well, the thing is that we're all unique. Whether we grow up together and share the same parents or not, we'll all be different from each other. Throughout our lives, we interact constantly with our environment. We change and adapt. Every experience we have shapes our personalities and makes us what we are. And that uniqueness is a great thing, nature or nurture. I don't think we need to debate because it's both.
Angela, thank you. That was absolutely fascinating.
Thank you, too.